Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome to Simply Nequa. Today I have a really lovely Valentine's Day nail tutorial for you guys. I really love these nails and how they all turned out. So if you want to see how they turned out from the thumbnail and you want to like do them yourself, check them out, or just want to see how I do them, go ahead, sit back, relax, and continue watching. But before you do, and if you haven't already and you're new here, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, like this video as well. Don't forget that, please. But let's get started with this video.
And I can't wait so we can break apart.
Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so let's make our nails so pretty people will just fall in love with your nails. So let's begin. First, I want to paint all of my nails for a base coat of white. So I painted all of my nails with LA Colors color Craze, and it's called Energy Source. What a name. And I applied 2 coats of that onto all of the nails.
Stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion. Follow the signs. With this devotion, you.
So first set of nails is going to be the index finger and the pinky, because whatever I'm going to put on top in the later of the video, I'll need the base to be really dry. The index finger and the pinky is going to have a nice, lovely Valentine's inspired ombre. So I took a nice white makeup sponge wedge for this process, like I always do. And for this time, I used my cuticle guard so I can have a less cleanup mess in the end. So I used the Pueen latex tape liquid peel off cuticle guard and put it right around the cuticles. As you put this on, it's this nice pink color, but you can tell when it's dry when it turns this nice clear plastic-y look, and it makes like your hands look really shiny. Once that was dry, it was time to dab for my ombre. So for this ombre, I wanted to go from a red to a light pink. So the colors that I chose for this ombre was the red from LA Colors Color Last, and that red is called Captive. Then the darker pink that I chose was from LA Colors Color Last, and that one is called Family Ties. The nice baby pink that I chose was from LA Colors Color Last, and it's called Love. And the combination of these 3 colors just really meshed well together, and when I dabbed onto my nails, it was just a wonderful mesh of colors of ombre going into red from pink, and I just thought that these colors really worked well together. And so I did about 2 to 3 dab sessions. This depends on how these colors take from the makeup sponge wedge onto the nail, but I did about 2 to 3 dab sessions for these 2 nails, the index finger and the pinky. Once I was happy with that ombre, I was done with those nails for the moment to let them really fully dry. The next nail that I was going to tackle was my thumb, which I'm going to do like a cluster of hearts on them, like the top section of the hearts, onto the thumb. And I went ahead and used the same 3 colors that I used for the ombre, so everything is kind of like meshed well together. So once again, I used that red from LA Colors Color Last, and it's called Captive. Then that darker pink from LA Colors Color Last, Family Ties, and then that light pink from LA Colors Color Last, and it's called Love. So for these nails, I started off with 1 heart with that darker pink color right in the bottom of the nail, and then from there I just went around with the red and the pink and then the dark pink again to build up the different hearts in different ways onto the nail. Once I had the cluster of the hearts of where I want all of them to be, I thought to really make them pop to outline all of them in a black, which I used the LA Colors Color Last, and that color is called Onyx. this point you can go ahead and with those same colors again and build up the color if anything was like too light or not, or fix up any areas with those colors or not, so everything looks nice. That nail took a little minute to do, so next we're gonna go ahead and go and jump into do the easiest nails that I have this nail set on the middle finger and the ring finger. On the middle finger and the ring finger, I seen these cute little characters, Valentine's characters online, and I had to put them on my nails. I had to incorporate them. So that's what I'm going to do on these nails. On the middle finger is going to be the girl character, and then the ring finger is going to be the guy character. We already have a nice clean white base onto these nails, and all we need for these is a liner brush and a black, which I used the LA Colors Colorless Onyx, to then outline the shapes of these two characters. These characters are pretty easy. They're simple outlines, a circle for the head, a little shape for the body, and little stick fingers for the arms and the legs. They're really easy to do, and if you mess up, you can clean it up with the white. Make the little shapes for the bow for the girl, and then a heart shape in the hands for the guy.
Never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even turn the light on. Told me you're so out control. I'm high as hell.
Once you have everything outlined, you can then go back and fix up any of the lines if you need to, but then you can jump in, color in the bow for the girl and the heart that the guy is holding in the hands, and with the red, which I used the LA Colors Colorless Captive, and I applied 2 coats in that to really make it opaque.
Guess I know vest that ass, put me to sleep, no rest. Feeling like we could not be, we could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling. Keeping like we were happy.
I really want the bow and the heart to really pop and really shine, so I decided to add some glitter to the hearts and the bow, and I used a lovely red glitter, and this glitter is called Cherry on Top by Sally Hansen, and I applied that onto those 2 shapes. At this point, the index finger and the pinky are completely dry for what I'm going to do next. So I bought this nail stamping product that I'm going to do a review on in another video, and I go more in depth in what that product is and what I think of it, anywho. But with the stamping options, I thought this stamping part will look good onto these nails for Valentine's Day. It has like love, 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 love. Basically, I take the black stamping nail polish, swiped that off, and then picked it up with the stamper and then applied it onto the nail.
Like we could not be, we could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling. Keeping like we were happy. Now a moment's passed underneath these masks.
And I think it just made it more beautiful. So at this point, I'm done with these nails, and now we just have to seal everything in to protect them. For the middle finger and the ring finger, I want everything to be matte, but the heart and the bow, so it can really shine and pop and be the main focus. So the matte that I chose to use was from LA Colors, and it's their nail treatment matte top coat, and I just applied that 1 coat onto those 2 nails. Make sure to go around the heart and the bow. Next, to seal everything else, I use my favorite top coat right now, which is the Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat, and I apply that to all of the nails and onto the bow and the heart of the middle finger and the ring finger nail.
For a love potion, a little sweet and spice.
So you guys, what did you think of my cute Valentine's Day nails? Like, I want to do something a little bit different. I didn't want to repeat of what I've already done on my channel before. Every time I just surprise myself, and these nails are so beautiful, so cute. I just love the 2 characters, and I really love how everything turned out. I really hope that you did too, and I hope you can use some of this to recreate it on your own nails or do something like that. And I just really hope that you enjoyed this video, because I sure did. I really did. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and you just haven't clicked on down below to subscribe yet, you still have all the time in the world, so go down below and subscribe right now, and also give this video a like, everyone. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with another awesome video, y'all. Bye.